Welcome to Our Life Simplified. I'm Laura and Todd is my husband. On this channel, we share our journey of transforming our 5-acre property into a mini homestead and peaceful Tuscany-inspired outdoor oasis. From DIY builds and garden projects to raising chickens, culinary adventures, and everything in between. We are creating a space that's both functional and charming, one intentional step at a time. Welcome to our home. How's everyone doing today? Today I am making one of our favorite and easy recipes, fridge pickles, also known as thunder and lightning pickles, or as I like to call them, sugar pickles. I'm not sure how many other names are out there, but this is one of those really easy recipes, and it is a fun way to preserve fresh veggies from our garden. They are super easy to make. There's no canning required, and you can use cucumbers, onions, peppers, and really whatever you've got on hand. I'll share a simple base recipe at the end of the video so you can screenshot it for later. But first, I need to harvest a few things. So while I'm picking from the garden, I'll give you a quick tour of our little backyard homestead. The garden's been doing pretty well. It could be better this year, but that's okay. It's still doing pretty well. And though my tomatoes haven't really been producing much, I think I know why. See that half green eaten tomato? Yep. We caught the thief on camera recently. I had posted a short if you missed it. Let's just say someone furry's been enjoying my harvest before I can. But today we're still getting a good little haul. We got some green beans, some cucumbers, perfect for pickles, and what we're doing today, sweet and hot peppers, and even some fresh basil. We're also growing some tomatillas and a whole variety of hot peppers. Todd's got big plans for those. He's working on some homemade pepper sauces and experimenting with other people's recipes as well. So if you're into that kind of thing, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss those videos that are coming up soon. And if you have an amazing pepper sauce recipe that you think we should try, drop it in the comments below. If we make your video using your recipe, we'll be sure to give you a shout out. All right, back in the kitchen. Veggies are getting washed and ready, so let's make some pickles. This is one of the easiest ways to preserve your garden harvest, especially if you don't have a huge batch to do a canning day. There's no special equipment needed, no canning. You're just going to slice, pour, chill, and enjoy. Todd is layering the cucumbers and some onions, some peppers, basically some of the little extras that are in the garden, but feel free to mix and match whatever veggies you have on hand. The magic comes from the brine. Ours is sweet and tangy, hence the name sugar pickles. These pickles are crunchy, slightly sweet, and just the right kick. The basic recipe that we're using is using cucumbers, onions, green peppers, sugar, vinegar, some pickling salt, celery salt, and mustard seed. You're going to start by mixing the cucumbers and salt, and you're going to let it stand for about a half hour, and then you're going to rinse with water. Make sure you rinse that well, and drain it. If you don't rinse it well, it's going to be pretty salty. In the container, layer the cucumbers, onions, and peppers. In a pot, you're going to add sugar and vinegar, and then you're going to stir in the celery seed and mustard seed. You're going to stir continually until the sugar is completely dissolved. You're going to let cool for about 20 minutes. Then you're going to pour this mixture over the contents that's in the mason jar. Then you're going to screw on the lid and let it completely cool. You'll then place it in the fridge for several days to a week or longer. And the longer it sits, of course, the better it tastes. Then all you got left to do is enjoy it. These should last in your fridge for weeks, and if they even last that long. But I know we have stored them for multiple weeks and they are just fine. And like I said, the longer they sit, the better it tastes. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite veggie is to pickle, or do you have a family recipe I should try? If we decide to use your recipe, we'll be sure to give you a shout out. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garden and with us in the kitchen today. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see Todd's spicy pepper sauce creations coming soon. Until next time, stay simple, stay joyful, and happy pickling.